Hello everybody, welcome back to a model kit review. Today I'm going to be reviewing the brand new Hobbyboss Olympic and Britannic. Oh my gosh, I gotta tell you, I feel like my prayers have been answered. I've been wanting a model Britannic and Olympic for so long, and the fact that they brought it out in the Dazzle, just flipped you off there, sorry. But the fact that they actually brought them out, and with the Dazzle scheme and the Britannic, I'm telling you, Hobbyboss is really quickly becoming my new favourite model kit company. I actually made a model kit from them before. It was an ME262 if I'm not mistaken. I don't know now. It's been a while, but let's actually just pop these open now. I ordered these from China through eBay, through an eBay merchant. They took about 2.5 weeks to the UK, so a little bit longer than normal shipping prices, or actually shipping was free, but shipping times were a lot longer. You get pretty much all the features you normally get with the Britannic. It's Welin davits as well. There's some text if you want to read that. Anything else here on the back side there? Yeah, one paint scheme and. Well, actually, let's just pop this open first and let's just have a look. Now, as for accuracy, now I know Hobbyboss has been kind of criticised for their accuracy, but look, the fact we actually have a Britannic model kit, I'm not complaining. I really amn't. What's this here? Ooh, a hurricane. Now that looks cool, actually. Wow. Oh, funny enough, they actually have a bit of an interior there. The last Hobbyboss kit I made didn't actually have interior. Very, very simple. Very simply designed kits, but effective at the same time. And oftentimes, to be honest with you, I actually like the simplicity because it means you can actually add what you want, right? Oftentimes, look, I love kits like Trumpeter, I love Tamiya, but oftentimes they're a little bit too detailed for my liking, almost to a comical degree. Which, if that's what you like, that's fair enough. Actually, brilliant that they still they show you the Tamiya and Humbrol and the color scheme. So if you want your colors, there you go. You can pause your video there. Looks accurate to me. Again, you got your Welin davits there. Oh my god, I can't wait. Oftentimes you have to get a model kit from, Revell, like the Titanic one, then you'd have to retrofit it and try to jump through hoops to make it look like the Britannic, and if you're into that sort of thing, but honestly, I'm just so glad that, funny enough, I was actually going to get, a Titanic Revell kit and sort of retrofit it with 3D printed parts of the Britannic, but Jesus Christ, it would cost a fortune. But so happy that Hobbyboss came to the rescue. So there's your instructions there. Very, very simple. It's actually, you know what? It's very, very like the Revell kit. Very, in terms of construction. You see there where you put the decks down like that? Very like the Revell Titanic kit. Let's see here, is there anything else? Quality of the paper is brilliant as well. Now, of course, I've only just kind of looked through this. Now, if I find any mistakes, I won't know that. See, that's fairly detailed there. Yeah, you could really... Oh, I can't bloody wait to build this. Now, from what I heard Trumpeter is making a 1:400 scale. Now, this is 1:700 scale. If Trumpeter is going to bring out a 1:400 scale Britannic, I'll buy it in a heartbeat, as well as this one, because honestly, it will just, just complete the collection that I have downstairs, of course. I've reviewed those ones already. The shell looks brilliant. Thank Christ it comes in one piece, because goddamn I hate it when the kits come in two pieces, because oftentimes the hull warps. But you got a bit of warping there, but nothing that won't be a problem. I don't know if it's me. Now, again, I have very small hands, but I don't know if it's me, but it feels smaller than the Revell Titanic. I won't know for sure though until I build it. But I swear it feels smaller in my hands. But I even get a little bit of photo etch in there as well. And for this price, I mean, I paid... Now, I got it immediately when it came out, so I paid about €50 and shipping included. Now, I'll say it will probably go down in price, you know, as, you know, production, supply and demand, yada yada yada. What do we got? Just some more pieces there. You got your decals there. I believe these are photo etch. What's that? Oh yeah, I think that's the platform for it to sit on. So you got your platform there. Just some more pieces. It's, again, pretty straightforward if you've ever built a model kit boat before. Now just putting it up into the light. Yep, looks great to me. I mean, it's... No, I don't want to take them out of the box just yet because I don't know when I'm actually going to build this. I have been going on a bit of a hiatus with my model kit building, as I'm sure many of you are aware. When I build this, I actually have no idea. I'm not planning to build it anytime soon because I'm just working on some things in my private life. So, private life, I sound very bourgeois when I say that, don't I? But, you know, off camera. Actually, that sounds even more snobby now when I say it. But, you know, in real life, right? I apologise for not building any model kits, but, you know, look, YouTube's a hobby. It is what it is, right? My hobbies come and go with the winds. Oh, just a beautiful, beautiful ocean liner. So sad she never achieved her full potential, but yeah. Oh well. Anyway, I would imagine the Olympic is pretty much more or less the same. Maybe you could retrofit this, because see the way it has the open deck like that? Maybe you could retrofit this into the 1920s version if you got like a decal that went along the side to get the gold band. Yeah, that'd be really cool, wouldn't it? But I do like the dazzle, and I think I'll make it the dazzle. But yeah, anyway, that's just about it. Alright, enjoy your Hobbyboss model kits, and I'll talk to you later.